Finding the right data for time series analysis can be time-consuming. While Graytoo offers live search, the Q-search feature is perfect for complex scenarios requiring multiple transformations and tests. Let's demonstrate with a real-world example, forecasting unemployment rates. To thoroughly analyze this, we'll need to test different scenarios. First, we'll examine how different lag periods affect our model by testing both 3-month and 12-month lags. We'll also include recession as a control variable to identify factors beyond general economic conditions that influence hiring decisions. To explore longer-term patterns, we'll extend our forecast horizon to quarterly predictions. Additionally, since research shows job-finding rates significantly impact unemployment, we'll incorporate this data with a 1-month lag as another control variable. Setting up these searches is straightforward. Before submitting, you can check the email notification box to receive alerts when your results are ready. Once processing is complete, you'll be notified in 2 ways. First, you'll receive an email containing your search parameters and a direct link to your results. Second, you'll notice a red dot appear on your avatar in the navigation bar. Clicking this will show notification messages indicating your searches are ready. All results are also easily accessible through your search history, where you can view and compare all 5 searches at your convenience. Just like running multiple machine learning experiments, time series analysis requires testing different parameters and variables. Q-search makes this process efficient by letting you run multiple tests at once and compare results easily in your search history.